Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on a ketogenic way of eating and how you can be successful in your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to help you to get started. Welcome back, everyone. I'm sure you can tell by the way I look that I have not had a great week. It has been a rough few days. It has been a rough day today. I don't know if you guys noticed, but on the community tab, I posted that my daughter Ruby was diagnosed with the flu on Tuesday, and on Wednesday, my daughter Virginia and my son Jasper took ill as well, and then my 17-year-old Oliver. So far, Eloise has remained unscathed. Phineas has remained unscathed, and Dave and me, the 3 adult kids, have remained unscathed. Let us keep it that way. Suffice it to say that I am not a natural born nurturer, caretaker type person, which, considering I had 9 kids, you would not think that. But yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. When the kids get sick, I handle it okay for a little while, and then I kind of burn out because it really saps and sucks out all my energy, and that's kind of where I'm at right now today. Combine that with the budget fiasco, and I am having a rough time keeping up with all of it. So yeah. Anyway, firstly, I just really need to apologize for the lack of videos on this channel. My room has been taken over. In fact, I just kicked them out and I was crying because I'm like, I need to make a video, you guys. It's Saturday. I need to make my video. Know where I can make it in this house. Everything is like a bomb went off. No one that is not sick will do anything, and no one that is sick can do anything. And so it's like all day I've been telling myself that I was going to go outside and get in the car and just go out and do something, and I was going to go shopping with Dave, and instead I shopped online and made him go pick it up. We were going to go out to a movie, but I just can't make myself spend the money on that. More on that in a minute. But yeah, so I never got outside, and now it's after 4 and the sun is going to start going down soon, and so I just finally just lost it and yelled at all of them and told them they had to get out for 15 minutes so I can make this video. So that's where I am. Soon they shall be back in here. I may go crazy from listening to Disney Plus. I mean, I'm grateful for Disney Plus because, at least it's Disney, but I've had to listen to Disney Plus for 4 days straight, and I have about had it with that. And not to mention, the first couple of days, my phone was busted, and so I didn't have anything to do besides just lay here and listen to Disney Plus on the TV. I'm sure there's probably better ways to do it, like putting a TV in their room or what, but we had to keep the kids separate, which means we have to keep them upstairs, which means we have to keep them glued to something so that they don't go downstairs and contaminate the rest of the family, right? So it's a miracle that I'm not sick. I have been in here the whole time. My daughter drank out of my cup Monday night before she was diagnosed, and I didn't think about it and drank out of the cup. So I'm thinking I'm probably okay. Hope I'm not going to get sick. I'd trade them all right now. I'd trade them all. Let me be sick and let them all be healthy. So much more fun for me to just lay around and do what I want on TV instead of what they want, and having to get them food and try and get them to take medicine. I'm really okay. I'm really okay. I'm really okay. I keep telling myself that. I'm like, get a grip. People do this all the time. It could be worse. This is not a big deal. But if I have to get kids to take medicine one more time that don't want to take it, I'm going to lose it. I'm already lost it. I just can't do that anymore. But Ruby's fever is basically gone, so after today, she technically, I think, can be described as no longer contagious. And she's only been sick for 4 days, so there's that. Virginia, I think she's doing a lot better today. Jasper's still pretty bad. Oliver, I haven't seen him, so he's been staying in his room downstairs on the main floor because he doesn't want to contaminate anybody on the regular. So I haven't even seen him. I don't even know if he's eaten anything. He claims he's eaten his medicine. That's all I care about. So, guys, it's scary up in here with a big family when people get sick with the flu. Not good. Not good at all. And add the budget stress on top of that, and it has been a wild ride this week. I'll tell you what. You guys have been giving me some great advice, but like I can only deal with one chunk of things at a time. Right now, I'm just trying to wrap my brain around how much money we spend on food. It's way more money than we thought, and it's like overwhelmed. Like I feel like I keep budgeting more and more and more for food because it's just not hitting the number we need it to be. And every time we think we get to a number, it's like the next week we're like, nope, that number's not gonna work either. So, it's painful. It's really hard for me. Okay, so this is why it's more stressful. Used to be Dave would get paid, I would go out and buy the stuff I need. And then when the money ran out, I would tell him, hey, we don't have any money left. He would go buy groceries every single day, buy whatever we need for dinner, and whatever, like we said, oh, we need such and such, oh, we need that. And he would grab that like every single day. So he's going to the store almost every day. And me, I would shop online to go to Amazon, get the supplements I need, and I would go to Julian Bakery and get the bars and stuff that I want, the snacks that I want, and we would go to the gas station and buy the soda that we want. And for some reason, like, that was easier than like writing it all out and like admitting that we buy way too much soda and we don't know how to stop drinking it, and like that we spend way more on groceries than we thought, and that most of the time we didn't pay all of our bills, and that's how we were surviving because we didn't pay the bills. So yeah, it's been eye-opening for sure. But the hardest part about it isn't that we don't have enough money, because we have enough money, and that's nice. You'd think that would be an anxiety, tension release of some kind, that when you write it all down, Dave's money pays the bills and we don't have to worry about it. And so anything I make is extra, any rent money from the kids is extra, that kind of thing. You would think that would make me feel a lot better, but no. And this is the reason why. The day Dave gets paid, because it's budgeted, every dollar has a job, right? Good old YNAB, every dollar has a job, okay? Because every dollar has a job, the second it gets paid, it's like it's already gone and already spent. And so like I feel like I can't ever do anything that I normally would do. Like when he would get paid, I'd be like, ooh, I need a new dress, and I would get it. Or, like I need such and such on Amazon. Like, I don't know. I would just like buy what I needed without feeling guilty and not worrying about it. And I would just get what I needed. Now I'm like second guessing it. Like right now, we're supposed to be out on a date to go to the movies. Okay, we talked about going to the movies. I told him I wanted to use some of my YouTube money to go to the movies. And it was going to be like $60 for dinner, and then like $15-20 if we wanted to get some snacks. And we have movie tickets for free because my dad gave them to us for Christmas. So we don't even have to pay for the movie, just for dinner. Okay, and I'm still sitting here. He's like, when are we going? And I'm like, I can't even like write it down in the budget because I'm like, what about this? What about that? What about this? Because we have all these other things. They're all good things. And so like, how do you decide which is the good thing that the money needs to go toward? And would going out to eat be complete waste? Obviously it wouldn't, since I'm a crazy person right now. And sometimes I am a crazy person, especially in January. We all know this, right? This is nothing new. This is nothing new. And I have been holding it together really well, considering. Have to say. I've been impressed how well I've held it together. But I have had a couple of breakdowns, and I know my stress level is like too high. I took a bath today and it didn't even help. If anything, it made it worse because I kept thinking about the house being a bomb and me not doing anything about it. I still haven't done anything about it. I have rewashed the laundry that is in the washing machine at least 3 times this week, and I haven't moved it to the dryer. Why is it that they're sick and yet I'm paralyzed? I don't know. I don't get it. I really don't get it, but it is what it is. And that's why I make these videos for you guys. And I'm not going to skip my weigh-in, even though I've skipped everything else. I'm not going to skip my weigh-in because I'm just not. This is the one thing that I've been able to keep very extremely regular on this channel, and so I don't want to let you guys down by not doing a weigh-in video. Obviously, I didn't do that great with food this week, probably. I don't even know, because I ate regular meals, but I didn't really track. and I ate a lot more heavy cream probably than I should, and all these other things, you know, like I didn't have a phone for a couple of days, so I couldn't track those days, and I just ate what I wanted. And I did eat carbs, you know, you guys, when I say I ate what I wanted, so that means all keto. Don't ever eat off plan, literally never. And I didn't go out and buy any like keto sweets or anything. You know, other than heavy whipping cream, which I had already budgeted and bought and put in the fridge. So I didn't go out and buy anything extra, waste any money, or give up my budget. But the stress level is high and nothing's working really. And I just really need my room back from it being a sick house. And that's first world problems. And I should just like get over it, right? I need to get over it. And the thing is that Dave's so used to me being the one who runs the money that like when he's like, let's go out, he's like, let's go out. Just, we got the money, let's go out. It doesn't even bother him. And me, I'm just like, but what about this? But what about this? But what about this? You know, like, for example, you'll probably find out about this eventually in one of my videos. I know I recorded it somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere out in the nether. I recorded the day that we went out to buy tires, but we were on our way out the door and a 24-hour notice was left on our door by the water company because apparently we didn't pay the November bill. Yeah. And so half of our tire money ended up going to the water company, and then the other half went to my broken cell phone. So now we still need tires, and we still have to pay for our hotel room for our competition in March, and we need both of those things for that to happen, for that competition to happen. And that's where I'm at. And of course, January is a very slow month for YouTube, and the fact that I haven't been posting videos isn't helping. So my income from YouTube is going to be cut in half next month. If that. It might even not make it to half, which is just like, stress level. Even though it's all extra, it means no extra for like the trip or like buying a hotel room. So I really have to take this money that I have right now and figure out what the heck I'm gonna do with it. And Dave thinks we should just go to a movie, and I just can't like relax. So you guys need to know all that. Oh my heck, we are 12 minutes in. Oh, I'm gonna delete a lot of that, I hope. Sorry about word vomiting on you. You guys want to know how much I weigh? Or do you? Do you really want to know? I don't want to know. Let's find out. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 182.6, which is a 1.2 pound gain for the week. And I guess I should be thanking my lucky stars for that, considering it's my ovulation week, which usually means water weight gain for me, and I ate a lot of food. Did not stick to my New Year's resolution of trying to eat at a normal level, like a normal human. So yeah, I guess I should be grateful for the, whatever, 1.4, 2? I can't even do math anymore. 1.2 pound gain for the week. It's okay. It's okay. I'm trying really hard not to care. And I have all these videos lined up for you guys, including a really great video for Yvette Sports, another sponsored video. And I really need it to do well because I really need that income. So guys, if you could watch that when it comes out, I'd be grateful. It would mean a lot to me. Okay, I really sound whiny. I have been crying a lot in the last hour, if you can't tell. And I need to like get a grip and stop it. No more. Because I really don't have any reason to cry. It's just like, seriously, trying to give a 4-year-old some medicine that he doesn't want to take. You'd think that it would be the end of my life. I don't know why that's so awful. But it just is. I am so tired of that. Yeah. But, you know, he's sitting there bleary-eyed with 103-degree fever, and his face is all splotched and petechiaed, blood blisters around his eyes from crying and rubbing and miserableness. And then he doesn't want to take his medicine to make himself feel better. Even no matter I convince him that he will feel better in 20 minutes, he doesn't believe me. Why? I don't understand. Kids for you. Kids. Gotta love them. Gotta love them. Just can be grateful they don't have an ongoing illness or type 1 diabetes or something like that, because this mama not able to deal, apparently, with that kind of thing. So I am grateful, and thank you, my lucky stars, right now, that that's not something that I'm walking through, because I probably won't make it right now. At least not in January. Give me till June. Give me June. I'm looking forward to June. Okay. Guys, I need to let you go. We've beat this to death. That's where it is. Wait, inches, didn't lose any. That's the way it is. And, you know, trying to keep this keto thing going with real life after 3 years in, like not really on the weight loss train, trying really hard to stay, but really sitting on the struggle bus most of the time when it comes to wanting to lose weight, and just figuring, well, you know what, I'm comfortable here, so I may as well stay here. That's where I'm at, and I hope that that is good for you guys. I'm glad you're all still here. After this video, probably some of you won't be here, and I'm sure I'm gonna get plenty of burp on my video, but whatevs. I don't even look at that, just so you guys know. Like, if you thumbs downing my video to like tick me off or like make me feel bad, I rarely look at that. It's pretty rare. Don't care. Yeah, because, you know, I don't need that kind of stress in my life. I'm just making videos, hoping people watch them. If you're watching, thanks. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go because that's about all I can stand to do right now. I don't know when I'll get this edited. Hopefully not on Sunday. My kids are driving me crazy. They're in my editing zone, like in my space, and I can't edit any videos for either channel, and it's been... So it'll be up. I don't know when. And whenever it is, I'm glad you're watching. And I love you all so much. Thank you all for your support. And don't forget to check all the links in the About section to support me on Patreon and all that stuff. Blah, 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 I usually mention. I'm not going to bother because this has gone on too long. Anyway, but I love you. We'll talk to y'all again soon. Bye.